Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today is just going to be a quick little video. I'm going to try out two new highlighters. There's a lot of highlighters coming out and I wasn't sure how to make them into a video, so I figured I would just try one on each side of my face. So the two highlighters I'm going to try out is the Stila Glitter and Glow highlighter, and I have this in the shade Monarch. And the second one is the Cover FX Gold Bar Highlighting Palette, and this comes in 3 different shades. Not gonna lie, just to start out, I'm a little hesitant about the Stila highlighter. Swatching it, it seems very, very glittery, and that's kind of something I don't really look for in a highlighter. I just want my cheekbones to be illuminated, and that's it, not glittery and looking like a fairy. But let's just try it and see what happens. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use my fingers or a beauty blender. I looked online and it says either or, so I'm gonna start with my fingers, and if I need to, I will switch to the beauty blender. So I'm just gonna dab a couple. Yeah, this is definitely way too crazy. I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender and see if I could disperse it a little bit more, but I think dispersing glitter is still glitter. Yeah, it just spread the glitter further out into my face. If this didn't have the glitter bits, the pinky shade that it is kind of pretty. It's hard to see, but that's something I could build up maybe. But the glitter is just too weird for me. I mean, this would be really cool if you were going to some sort of party, or as everybody says, if you were going to Coachella, but that's done and over with, so you'd have to wait a year. So I'm not sure what I would use this for, but this would definitely not be my everyday go-to highlighter, just being honest. Next, on my left side, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. And I think to start, I'm going to use the lightest shade, so I'm going to use White Gold. And if it's not enough highlighter for me, I will build up with something else. So I'm going to use my Morphe M510 brush and just dip right in. So there's not really like anything happening. I'm digging in violently, which you shouldn't have to do. And there's maybe a tiny bit, but it's like nothing. So I'm gonna go into 24 karat gold, and we're gonna try that one. Okay, that's much better. This is a cute highlight. Unfortunately, the white color, white gold, swatching it, I had to dip in several times, and that's just being honest. And I dipped in several times so that I could get a good swatch for you guys to see, but that's something that, you know, is a little bit harder to do on a brush or a beauty blender. You would have to use your fingers and go in hard several times, but you can still get a little bit of highlight from it, just not as nicely as this 24 karat gold shade. All right, so all in all, Stila, no, I'm gonna say that's a pass on that one. The Cover FX, I'm not living for it, but it's not terrible. Yes, I'll grab for it when I need to, but I feel like the Anastasia Amrezy and the Fenty highlighters are my go-to everyday highlighters. So that's it for today. I know it was a short video, just wanted to give you a little overview of some new highlighters. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day. Bye.